cells are unique. It cannot be compared with the others. So this uniqueness brings one species, and within the species, like for example the human beings, we are also different from each other in look, in shape, in size, in thought process. Though all we are having the same four-chambered heart and 206 bones. So this difference causes the variation. So what I am trying to tell you, the body cells which we are having, which it is a gift from our parents and to the parents to their grandparents and all that, it is once of only heredity. So these cells which we are having, they are always unique in nature. And these cells cannot be controlled by our will, cannot be controlled by our desire. When we talk about their persons, they are also the human being like us, similar, they will be more intelligent also. But in their case, the development of ear has not been taken successfully. All the body is developed by a single cell zygote. So when the development is going on, at that time due to developmental problem, their ears has not been developed properly. If you see the functioning of the ear, if you see the functioning of the eyes, they are so complex. When we are hearing something, don't think it is such a easy thing. They inside the body, when we are hearing something, when the things goes to our eardrum, inside there is a